Hello and welcome to episode 4 of The Drinking Geek. I am Justin, the Drinking Geek, and we have now stepped back into the second part of our 4-part series on Avatar the Last Airbender. Today we are going to be making a very boozy milkshake known as the Earthbender. Let's get to it. Alright, today's ingredients are as follows. We already have ice in our blender. You can use as much as you want. Today we're doing enough for 2 drinks, though we'll only be pouring the 1 in our tall Pilsner. We have peanut butter, Bailey's Irish Cream Original, Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey, Creme de Cacao Chocolate Liqueur, Hershey's Chocolate Syrup, and whipped cream. Alright, to start the mix, we're going to start with our non-alcoholic ingredients. First off, peanut butter. Take a generous amount, however much you want. I'm going to go about this much. We're going to want to pop that right in. And looking at it, I'm actually going to add just a little bit more because you don't want to miss out on that peanut butter taste. Alright? So next we're going to add our Hershey's chocolate. Boom. And we're just going to pour that over our ice and our peanut butter. This is a very sweet, decadent drink. Wonderful. Alright, so now we are moving on to our alcohol. We're going to start with our Skrewball. Now, I have talked about it before, I have a measure and pour cup, which helps out very nicely with the amount of alcohol you need. We're going to go with 2 tablespoons each. It's about the equivalent of 1 shot. If you want more, that's up to you. Add a little bit more. I'm gonna have 1 more tablespoon. So 3 tablespoons in all, of all 3 kinds. All right. Next is the Creme de Cacao. Pouring in. Tablespoons. And last, but certainly not least, we have our Bailey's Irish Cream. Once again, to that 3. Oh, sad, this one's all out. Looks like I get to, magic of editing, make a new one appear. See? Magic of editing, I've got a new one. And I left the old one on the table so y'all can see it. Let's pour it. 3 tablespoons. Right there. Ooh, yeah. Beautimous. Set that right over there. Pop lid on, and we're going to blend this.
Build a path to be together. Yeah, I forget the next couple lines, but then it goes. Secret tunnel, through the mountains. Secret tunnel, yeah.
All right, after we blended for 30 seconds and doused our glass in chocolate, it is time to pour. So you want to do it very carefully. And voila, like I said, about enough for 2 glasses here. Now, we're going to top off our drink with whipped cream. And in honor of King Boomy, rock candy. Ta-da. That is the Earthbender. Now for taste, I'm going to add a straw. Best bet is a milkshake straw. Drop it on in. Honestly, you can't taste the alcohol at all. This one will knock you down very quickly if you're not careful. But that's what any Earthbender should do, right? Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video and want to see some more fun drinks being made, come back next week where we're going to unleash our inner Katara and Korra and make the waterbender. I've been the Drinking Geek. See you next week.
Don't let the cave-in get you down, Sokka!